First, in this video, we will see the 74151 multiplexer IC. Details about the 74151 multiplexer IC. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. The 74151 is a 8 to 1 multiplexer. So the normally the multiplexer means having the 2 to the power n inputs and having only one output. In that, n number of selection lines will be available, right? So the input to the multiplexer is 2 to the power n, output is only one output will be available. Out of 2 to the power n input, only one output will be produced at the output. That is decided by the n number of selection line. Here the 8 to 1 means the n equal to 3. 2 to the power 3 is to 1, having 3 selection lines, right? 2 to the power 3 means 8 is to 1. 8 inputs are available. In that, only one output is produced at the output. That is decided by the 3 selection lines, right? Now we'll see what are the 3 selection line, what are the 8 inputs, what are the 1 output. We'll see this. So it has 8 inputs, it provide 2 outputs, that is one output and another one is complement. One is active high, another one is active low, right? Normal output and complemented output is available. So that here 2 outputs are there. Now we'll see the truth table. I will discuss the truth table. So this is the selection line. 3 selection lines are available, A, B, C. This is the enable line. This is complemented is available. Then this is the output Y. This is a complement of output Y bar, right? The enable is complemented. So the enable is 1 means while taking complement it becomes 0. So that whatever may be the selection line, the output is 0. Y is 0. Complement of Y is nothing but 1, right? Y bar is 1, right? So the enable is 1 means the circuit is entirely produce only 0 output. If the enable is 0 means while taking complement it become 1. So enable is 0 means it will produce the required corresponding output. So it is connected in a complemented manner. So that 0 will produce the output, 1 will produce the 0 output, right? For this enable equal to 0, we will see this, what are the possibilities. There are 3 selection lines are there. So we have 8 combinations, 2 to the power 3, 8 combinations are available. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 up to 1 1 1, right? It is very simple. There are 8 outputs are available. So there is only one output out of which we have to select, right? Suppose if it is 0 0 0 mean D naught will be produced at the output. We have D naught to D7, right? We have the D naught to D7. There are 8 inputs are available. Out of 8 input, only one input is produced at the output, right? For this combination, the D naught is produced at the output, right? D0 to D7 is the 2 to the power 3. That is 8 possible inputs, out of which only one output available. That is called D naught. For this combination 0 0 1, D1 will be produced at the output. For 0 1 0, D3 will be produced at the output. For 0 1 1, D3 will be produced at the output. For 1 0 0, D4 is produced at the output. 1 0 1, D5 is produced at the output. 1 1 0 means D6 will be produced at the output. 1 1 1, D7 will be produced at the output, right? So out of these 8 inputs, which one will be produced at the output is decided by the selection line. Based on the value of the selection line, it will produce either from D0 to D7, right? This is decided by the selection line. So this Y bar mean is a complement. D0 mean D0 bar. Similarly D1 bar up to we have D7 bar. So we have 2 outputs, normal output, active high as well as active low, right? So we have 3 selection lines, 1 enable line and 2 output lines with active high and active low. Enable is 1 means the whatever may be the selection line, the output is 0 because it is complemented. The enable is 0 means it will produce the output. For this 8 combination, 8 different outputs are produced from starting from 0 D0 to D7. The active low means it is complemented. D0 means D0 bar. Now we'll go to the pin diagram. Pin diagram of the IC. So this is the at the pin number 7 we have enabled. See this, it is complemented, right? Not get inverted. So 0 means it is the IC will be enabled. 1 means it will go 0, so that active the output is disabled. So this is the 3 selection lines A, B, C. We have in the pin number 9, 10, 11. C is connected 9, B is connected 10, A is connected 11. So this is the output. At pin number 5 output is available, complemented input is available at the pin number 6, right? Pin number 7 is enabled with the inverted manner. 9, 10, 11 is the 3 selection lines CBA. 5 and 6 is the 2 outputs, active low and active high. So this is 74XX XXX 151 IC. Now we'll see the inputs. What are the inputs available? So there are 8 possible inputs available: D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Out of this 8 input, only one input will be available at the output. So that is decided by these selection lines, right? 0, 0, 0 means D0 will be available at the output. 0, 0, 1 means D1 will be available at the output. 0, 1, 0 means D2 will be available at the output. 0, 1, 1 means D3 will be available. 1, 0, 0 means D4 will be available. 1, 0, 1 means D5 will be available. 1, 1, 0 means D6 will be available. 1, 1 means 1, 1, 1 means D7 will be available, right? So out of 8 inputs, any one input is available at the output. That is decided by this selection line, right? So the pin numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. In that D3, D2, D1, D0 is connected. 12, 13, 14, 15. In that D7, D6, D5 and D4 are connected, right? So what we have, this is the output, active low, active high, active low, selection lines and 8 possible inputs, right? So out of 8, any one will be available at the output. That is based on the selection line. Selection line 0, 0, 0 means D0 will be available. Similarly 8 combination. 1, 1, 1 means D7 will be available, right? So in this video we discuss about the 74151 multiplexer IC having 8 to 1 multiplexer. Out of 8 input it will produce the 1 output. We discuss about the pin diagram and truth table, right? In this the enable is connected as a inverted manner. So enable 1 means the output is 0, enable 0 means the output will be, the IC will be activated. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.